guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make simple but delicious peanut butter bars. Oh, please hit the subscribe button. Let's get started. So here I got a square pan lined with parchment paper. We're going to prepare the graham crackers. We're going to add one whole sleeve to a Ziploc bag. We're going to seal it up and we're going to start hitting. You don't have to do a Ziploc bag. You can just do this in a food processor, but I'm showing you guys the old-fashioned way. We're going to add the graham crackers to our large bowl. We're going to add in some powdered sugar, cinnamon, optional, butter, and some peanut butter. Now we're going to give this a mix. Once it's all combined, we're going to bring back our pan. We're going to dump it into the pan. We're going to smooth it out evenly. We're going to pop this into the refrigerator. Now we're going to prepare the top layer. To the bowl, we're going to add in some chocolate, and then snap, then it'll be a cat. Just kidding. We're also going to add in a little bit of peanut butter. And pour the chocolate over the peanut butter mixture. Spread it around. Alright, it's all smooth. Now we're going to put it in the fridge for about an hour. Alright, it's out of the fridge. Now we're going to cut it, and I'm going to drizzle over some of my homemade caramel sauce. Alright, let's give it a little try. This is so good. See you later.